Guys, are you looking for the best IQ option strategy? In this IQ option strategy video, I will talk about my trend PP crasher formula. And guys, to be honest, my trend PP crasher formula is one of the best IQ option or binary option winning strategy I have. In this IQ option strategy video, I will take couple of trades based on my trend PP crasher strategy. To be honest, I use a lot of strategy to make money from binary option and IQ option website, but most of them are based on support and resistance levels. Guys, PP trend crasher strategy is one of the best IQ option trading strategy I have. Just like I previously mentioned earlier, you can use PP trend crasher strategy with support and resistance level or without considering support and resistance level. Guys, please note, you can use PP trend crasher strategy with or without considering the support and resistance level. If you have a knowledge or you can draw strong support and resistance level and you can use, then you can use the PP trend crasher strategy only on support and resistance level. If you use the PP trend crasher strategy only on support and resistance level, you will get at least 85% to 90% winning ratio. On the other hand, those of you who are total beginner and if you don't know how to draw support and resistance level, if you can't identify support and resistance level, then you will get at least 70% winning ratio by just following my trend PP or PP trend crasher strategy or formula. Guys, I want to tell you something very interesting. It is true, the binary or forex market respects support and resistance level, but still there are a few strategies where you don't need to think too much about the support and resistance levels. PP trend crasher strategy is one of them. I have couple of my own strategy that offers 65% to 80% winning ratio, and when you are using those strategy, you don't need to think too much about the support and resistance level. But guys, anyway guys, what are my manners? Hello guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Jony. I'm your host for today's IQ option tutorial video. I am a software developer, but for the past 2 years I have been studying forex market, binary options and their indicators. In the past 2 years I spent hundreds and thousands of hours analyzing and tracking trades and already gained a lot of knowledge about binary option and forex market. I'm here to share my best binary option strategies and knowledge with you. So let's wait for a good signal, and when we get a good signal, let's take trade by using our PP trend crasher formula. Guys, I am waiting for a perfect signal, and when I get a good signal, I will place my trade. Guys, let's draw this level. And if the current candle closes between this level and it already has some rejection, so I will place a low option. Guys, I already place a lower option here. Guys, for the past hours, the market from this level, the market is has gone on a very strong uptrend, and from this level the market is trying to go down. So I think from this level or from this point the market will go down, and it can create a new lower low as well by forming couple of good or strong bearish candle. Anyway guys, we will win this trade, and if we get another perfect signal near the resistance level, then we will go for another trade. Yes guys, we win our trade. Let's wait for another good signal, and if we find another good signal, then we will place a trade. Guys, if you closely look at our two moving average line, then you can see our yellow moving average line already crossed the red moving average line. That indicates the market wants to go down from this level, or from this candle the market wants to go down. So if we find any good signal at the resistance level, then with confirmation we will place our trades here. According to our PP10 crasher strategy, if we found any good signal at the resistance level, then we will go for a lower option here from this point. Okay, we will only trade on lower option because our red moving average line already crossed the our yellow moving average line already crossed the red moving average line at it, and it is also indicating the market wants to go down, and from this level the market will continue as a downtrend. So we will all we will only look for the lower option signal. But if from this level, if a strong bullish candle appear and our yellow moving average line again cross the red moving average line, and yellow moving average line cross and goes up, and the red moving average line comes below the yellow moving average line, then again we will look for a higher option. But from at this point we will only look for the lower option signal, and if we find any good signal, any good lower option signal, then we will place a trade. Guys, if this candle, this bullish candle closes at this resistance level, then I will place it here, then I will place a lower option here. Okay guys, if this candle got some rejection from this sellers area, we will place a lower option here. Okay, only 20 seconds remaining, and if this candle closes below the resistance level, the below the SNL level, then we will place here a lower option. Okay guys, we see a rejection and the candle is okay. Guys, I place a lower option here, and I think the market will go down from this level. According to our PP trend crasher strategy, the market will go down from this level. But if you know how to use the 5-cent confirmation, you can place your trade more confidently. But guys, if you are following the trend and the PP trend crasher strategy, then 5-cent confirmation is not necessary, but you can take your trade more confidently if you can use of if you know how to use the 5-cent confirmation or the support resistance level. But guys, PP trend crasher strategy is a full form strategy, and if you just follow the strategy, you can take, or you can make a lots of money from the IQ option platform. Yes guys, straight, and let's look for another good signal. If we found any other good signal, any another perfect signal, then we will place our trade here. Guys, if we closely look at the current market situation, we can clearly see that market forms a consolidation area, and the market can either go up and form a uptrend, or the market can form and can cross or break this level and can form a downtrend and can go lot more down from this level. Anyway guys, according to a trend PP strategy, if the current candle and if the next candle form as a bullish candle, and if we can see some rejection from this level or this level, we will take trades in the lower option. Okay guys, we already get some rejection, and if this candle closes below this resistance level, then we will take a lower option here. Okay guys, also if you closely look at the past two candles, we can see sellers rejection, and the sellers wants to dominate the market. So it can form a momentum here, but as we are trading with the trend, so let's say if this candle form as a bullish candle and get rejected from this resistance level or SNR level, then I will place here a lower option. Let's wait for couple of more seconds. Okay guys, if you closely look at the previous three candle, you can see sellers rejection from each of the candle. If you closely look at this candle, it gets some rejection from buyers, but also the sellers dominate the candle. Guys, I would like to go for a lower option here. Guys, it forms as a inverted hammer type candles, and most of the time if you see a downtrend, or if you see 3 to 4 red candles, and after 3 or 4 red candles if a inverted hammer appears, then the market can go up, but we can see a bearish momentum here, and each of the candle has sellers rejection. So we can say that this inverted hammer candle can't stop the seller's force, and this candle will form as a bearish type candle. I'm sure this candle will form as a bearish candle and we will win our trade. Guys, only 10 seconds remaining, and I think we will win our trade. Only 4 seconds remaining. 2, 1. Yes guys, we win our trade. We can go for another lower option here, but I am not taking any risks, because here we can see a weak, or here it is a level. So let's wait for another signal, another good signal, and we will place our trade. Guys, this is a very good signal. Guys, this is not according to my PP 10 crasher strategy, but whenever you see a rejection from the yellow moving average line, then you can go for a higher option, or if you can see a hammer type candle or inverted hammer type candle near the yellow moving average line, then you can go for a higher option, and most of the time 80 to 90% time you will win your trade. And guys, I think we will win this trade. It already gets some rejection from sellers, but I think this candle will go up and we will win this trade. Okay guys, only 4 seconds remaining. If we win this trade, we will close our session here. Okay guys, we win this trade, so let's close this session here. Guys, do you like my video? If you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell notification bell icon. If you press the bell icon, then whenever I upload any new videos on YouTube, then you will get instant notification. And guys, if you like my trading style, then you can join my Telegram group or my private group, and then you can copy my trading signals. In the upcoming videos, I will explain how you can join my trading signals services, and how you can enjoy my trading signal service and can copy the signals I provide, and can make money. You can also learn the IQ option or trading from me in my advanced level course or strategies. I have three different and binary option strategies for beginners and advanced level traders. And if you are a beginner, then you can join on enroll on my trend demon strategy or trend. You can purchase my trend demon strategy. And if you want to, if you have some basic knowledge about trading, then you can and join or you can purchase my PP trend crasher strategy. Both of the strategy is super simple, easy to use, and you can make a lots of profit, or you can trade, or you can make a lots of profitable trades very easily. So guys, uh, if you have any question about my trading system or about my signal service, then you can knock me on my Telegram. The Telegram link you will find in the description of this video. So don't waste your time. You can purchase or you can buy my signal service, or you can buy my trading system, and you can earn a lots of money from the binary option platform. So guys, don't waste your time and take action. I would like to invite you to the next video, where I will discuss and I will show you how to use the support and resistance level and how to trade on the support and resistance level. Until then, have a nice day and take care.